dissipate yung pressure, which is actually a better feeling. We're working as a team, and the pressure is as a team. But we enjoy that pressure, and we have no choice but to shine with that pressure.
Speaking of pressure, Richard, this one goes out to Daniel Padilla. As someone who comes from a family of action stars, kumusta ang pressure that you're fully embracing action? That is from Natalie Tomato from Philippine Star.
Hindi, wala naman silang binibigay na pressure sa akin. So, wala rin naman akong nararamdaman na kaba o kung ano dahil hindi ko alam eh. I'm just doing my best, So, kung anong kalabasan nun, that's it, Kung ano man, basta I'm doing my best and I'm proud sa mga nagagawa naming lahat. As a group, sa trailer pa lang, I'm excited. Parang excited na pakita rin sa airpot ko to. Parang punish siya sa akin dito. Joke lang, Papa, I love you.
It's a good answer kasi in something like this, you gotta focus on yourself. You don't worry about anyone else. So focus on yourself. You are the one and only Daniel Padilla, right?
Yes.
Tsaka, iba-iba naman ang timpla namin, I mean, magaling si Tito Robby, mahusay. Siyempre, di ba? Ang tatay ko nandun din, ang mga tito ko. Pero iba-iba rin kami ng timpla. Tingnan natin kung ano naman ang may offer ko. So, yun lang.
Awesome. Good job.
Such a humble answer, di ba? Pero tsaka ang ganda, ang nakuha ko dun sa sagot niya, imbes na pressure, may pride. Yung proud siyang, excited siyang ipakita na sa tatay niya, pero imbes na napapressure siya, parang excited siya na ipakita. So that's always good news. At excited na rin tayong lahat mapanood. At sumisigaw sila, we love you, DJ. Yes, thank you very much sa lahat ng mga fans na nandito ngayon. At ngayon naman, pumunta naman tayo sa isang nabuong love team.
Yes,
mula
love
rin
team.
sa isang Netflix na napanood natin si Netflix.